How to use HelloFresh app for beginners. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can use HelloFresh app as a beginner. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store or App Store and simply download and install the application HelloFresh itself. And once you download it, just open the application from over here and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. If you haven't created an account, you can just tap on sign up button before getting to the home screen and easily create an account for yourself. So HelloFresh app allows users to manage their meal kit subscription, browse recipes and more from all of their mobile device, and it offers a convenient way to explore the menu, customize your plan and manage deliveries. To get started, just download the application, create an account and browse the menus. So to get it started, you can just click on this explore to download or browse the menus. You can then select your preferred menus, numbers of servings, select delivery details. The app also provides access to recipe instructions, nutritional information, and allows you to manage your subscriptions, including your pausing or skipping weeks. So if you ever want a customized plan, you can just tap on this build your plan button over here to successfully customize your plan, as the app allows you to customize your subscription based on the number of meals you want per week and the number of servings per meal. You can also select your delivery day and time. You have the flexibility to change your plan, skip weeks or cancel your subscriptions. And you can also actually manage your deliveries, as the app allows you to view your upcoming deliveries and track their status. You can also provide feedback for the app, for the cooking recipe from the app itself. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.